Dear friends, I welcome you for this workshop. Most of you, I think, have been attending this kind of workshop since the beginning of this activity. I appreciate you for your perseverance. The resource person today, Mr. Ajinkya Ban, is a member of teaching staff of our college. He is also the member of our training team. He is duly certified and hence he is competent to conduct this workshop. He has conducted one such workshop earlier. You might well remember. Friends, you are investing one full day for this workshop. Our resource person will prove that your investment is worth, it's not waste, won't repent in the evening. Friends, this calendar year 2020 has offered us some challenges. We call these challenges as setbacks or reversals or speed breakers or landslides or crises and so on. But there is no problem we cannot solve, no problem, no difficulty we cannot overcome, no crisis we cannot deal with, because we have incredible mind power and abilities. Life is a test of some kind. We fail this test only when we give up, and we are not going to give up. We are confident in our abilities. During this period, we shall strengthen and fortify our activities further. Although this is an unexpected setback which stuns us, we dare to go forward. We had lost control during first lockdown because it was first of its kind for this generation, for our generation. Now we have taken control of it. Now we refuse to make excuses and blame the situation. We now have learned how to manage the crisis. We just cannot go on watching the situation, watching the adversities helplessly. The information technology has taught us how to find solutions to the existing problems. We shall continue to have our education, utilizing our time in this period gainfully, such as by arranging this kind of workshop. It is some respite, a temporary relief in the present context. I wish you and this workshop a grand success. Finally, I declare that this workshop stands inaugurated. I thank you again. Thank you.